Easter, my pen friends. Ink it up and get to writing. That's what we're all about. We love our fountain pens. Our fountain pens is our heart. So, I want to give a shout out, a thank you to Brad and
Amara
from A&B
Rustic Relics.
Yeah, they sent me this their package yesterday, but today's Sunday, so I thought I'd save it like I'm opening my Easter basket. Can you dig it? And the rabbit sent me something. So here we go, my friends. Let's get to open it. Oh, before I do that, look, and the packaging, look at that. I find this really cool. The ink bottle. And then their label up here. Yeah, A&B Rustic Relics. And then the little writing down there. They give a little personal touch on the envelope. And look at the back. I do like the pins, the pictures of the pins. And again, the website where you can find them. So that is all to me very interesting. I like detail. Not just on fountain pens, but on packages. That just makes them look just a little bit more, what's a good word, Mr. Announcer? More...
Well, it's more appealing.
More appealing, more appetizing. Yeah, that's a good word, appetizing, yeah. Because you're hungry for your pen. So let's open this sucker up. Because I'm hungry and it's time to eat. And this is my Easter basket. So, anyway, so I'll read this and I'll share later. So, I'm just going to open this up for a little look-see and then we'll get to the... Oh, wow. Whoa. Oh. Well, this is one that I don't have. Okay, you know I'm a Parker freak. Love Parker? Yeah. Love Parker pens. And this is what it is, and I'll let Mr. Announcer do the honors and say the name.
This is the Parker Insignia.
Very good. All right. So let's just open this little jewel up. And it's wrapped again. It got here pretty quick. Usually the mail has been running slow with the virus and everything, but this has been pretty quick. Look at that beautiful pen. And I will be doing a review on it. And look at this beautiful ballpoint pen. Beautiful Parker. Look at this. Gorgeous. You got a roller ball and you got a ballpoint. But you've got Parker. That's the big thing to me. Parker pen. I love Parker roller balls, ballpoint, gels. If it's got Parker, it's got to be swell. It's the real deal. Look at that. And I will be doing a review on this very, very soon. So keep an ear and an eye open. And I'll holler at you later. So, happy Easter to each and every one of you, my friends. God bless each and every one. Take care. And have a happy ink day. Don't forget, wash those hands. And as always, don't text and drive. I'm out of here. Bye-bye.